Today, I want to talk about how to burn your belly fat in the middle of the night while you're sleeping. I'm Dr. Dabbs. I'm with Dabbs Columbia Rehab Center, Maryland, or Dabbs Chiropractic Physical Therapy. And this is a great concoction because it also helps regulate your intestines, but it burns off the omentum fat, the fat in the front. That is the fat right here that basically pumps out all the bad cholesterol, but bad everything. And my cholesterol, is on the low end of low. It's normal on the low end because of this and eating properly. So this is a dynamite way to get ready to burn fat at night while you're sleeping. Here's how you do it. You take a cup of hot water and then you add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a great way to get the sugar to regulate properly. So you just add 1/2 of that and it regulates the sugar all night long. So paprika. You take paprika and you took about 1/4 of a teaspoon in there, add that in, and then a dash of black pepper. Gets a little spicy. And if you like, put 1 teaspoon, I should say, of honey, or you could use agave, which is probably better because it's low glycemic in agave, and you just mix it up. And once it's all mixed up, you drink it, and bon appetit. And it's also gonna make me full at nighttime so that I don't get hungry in the middle of the night. I do a lot of functional medical care, and we are able to treat a lot of diseases and eliminate them or reduce their symptoms down greatly without medicine. So that's what I do. So if you want to come in for a consult about what's going on with you and see if we can help, please come on in and call the number below or write a comment and we'll answer. Thank you.